Windows can't find the Wikipedia module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. To kick off the manual repair for Wikipedia module, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Wikipedia module. Found in certain desktop dashboards and encyclopedia-style applications, this library links the UI layer to Wikipedia-backed data services. Without it, embedded information panels cannot initialize, resulting in a module failed to load error when the host application attempts to populate contextual content. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Wikipedia module DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Wikipedia module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Wikipedia module DLL. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Wikipedia module-related system data. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Wikipedia module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.